think it has arrived. I saw the delivery guy. I hope it is it. Yay! This is the dog ears. That's the word. The dog ears. It's the dog agitator dogs piece that I need to finish repairing the Kenmore washing machine. Okay, I got it in the mail. I ordered this, I think, last night. This is what the new ones look like. So I'm going to place this into the part, put it together. Okay, it looks pretty easy to install. I'm just dropping those right in. Make sure you put it like that, because it makes more sense, right? Like that. And put this back together. Just have to tighten it up now. Now I'm going to hold the base down to get it more tighter. Okay, so I held the base down and I held it still so it wouldn't turn, and I got it as tight as I could. And the last part is placing this on top, and I guess it doesn't really matter which area. Let me see. But before I do that, test it, see if it kind of locks in, it turns, and it locks in, it turns, and it locks in. And the last part is to put this back in, which I did not do. Let's see if I could pop it back in. I push it all the way on, and it's now secure. And the only next step is to test it. It's working.